Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy African coming at you guys again with another video. As you can tell, today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips about how not to make mistakes while you're trading. So let's get into it. First of all, shameless promo. You're not in my Discord group. If you want to know what's getting pumped and what you should avoid, this is not a pump and dump group, it's an avoiding group. So a lot of people get caught with bags of coins that they don't need, don't want, because a coin is getting pumped and dumped. If you do not want to be part of one of these terrible situations and get caught in a pump and dump, then you're going to want to join my Discord group. The information about how to join is going to be in the description down below. But the next group is just putting all of your Bitcoin in one coin, or just not diversifying enough. A lot of people see signals, or they'll be just really exuberant about one coin. They're like, I really believe in this coin. Let's say the coin that you really believe in, that I believe in long term, is 10x, or the pay token. So let's say that you're really looking forward to this, and you think that since it's such a great coin, it'll be valued very high in the near future. Maybe long term, yes, it will be valued very high, but if you're trying to day trade or swing trade, you're not going to always want to look at the most technologically advanced coins or the most actually good coins. You want to look at the most profitable coins for the day. And if you put all of your money, let's say you had $100 worth of BTC and you put it all in 10x, then you're stuck. You can't make any trades for that day. So let's say you are analyzing a chart. Let's say it's ARK's chart, and you see that ARK is gonna it's in the cup and handle pattern, and you see a breakout soon. But all of your money's in 10x, and you've lost all this money in 10x. You're not gonna be able to get 100% of the ARK returns that you were gonna get in the past. So my tip to you is make sure to diversify even when you're trading, because you don't want to get stuck in one coin and not be able to get out. A lot of coins can get dumped in a day. So let's say you're trading one of these really risky and volatile coins and it gets dumped, then that's it for you guys. You don't have a chance of coming back. The next thing is over diversifying. So what does that mean? It's basically the opposite of what I just said. A lot of people like to just throw their coins in every single coin. So let's say you have $100. There's some people who put $1 in 100 coins, and when you do this, you're kind of cutting yourself short. You're not allowing yourself to actually see returns on coins, because a 20% or 30% increase of price on two coins is not that much. If you only put $1 in, it's only 30 cents. So you're not really getting as much as you could if you put it in less coins. So you don't want to oversaturate, but you don't want to undersaturate either. You want to kind of have a 3 to 5 is my limit on a day trade or a swing trade. I'll hold about 3 to 5 coins and have Bitcoin sitting on the side just so I can make some trades. I'm not perfect. I most definitely have made every single mistake that I'm talking about in this video. Like the great philosopher Jay-Z said, Hove did that. So hopefully you don't have to go through that. You understand? So like, I made those mistakes. I've made every mistake I'm talking about in this video, I've made, but I'm learning from my mistakes, obviously, and I'm trying to share with you guys what not to make as a mistake. I know I've kind of already covered this, but you always want to have some Bitcoin on the side. Bitcoin, for one, is very volatile, and that alone can get you very profitable on these little dips that are happening. 60% or 61% BTC dominance right now means not ARKs. I love ARK, that's why I said ARK. But altcoins are going to be dropping drastically, and you want to have some BTC on the side. So whenever these alts are dipping, you could buy the dip. Everybody says that they want to buy the dip. Everyone says that buy low, sell high is their game plan, but nobody really does it. You want to be a person who actually does what you say and not just says what you say. You want to actually do it. So in order to buy, you want to have some BTC on the side. If you don't have Bitcoin on the side, it's going to be very hard for you to get into some of these dips when your coin has dipped. Imagine you have some NEM and you have all your money in them, then guess what? You see that something's about to take off. You have a feeling, you looked at the chart, blah blah blah, or you got some type of signal on CRINGE, but all your money's in them and you don't want to really take that loss. Then you're in a conflicting situation, which leads to the next thing, which is you want to cut your losses short and get out, and don't be overly emotional with your money. I understand it's money, and money's a very hard thing to lose, and it's a very hard thing to be detached from. But when you're trading, you kind of have to be a psychopath in a way. You have to have no emotion. You kind of have to just move with it and not think about what you have to move with the flow without thinking about what's happening. You have to think, obviously, but you can't be overly emotional about it. Let's say you see your coin going down 20% and you don't want to get out because you're going to lose all your money, but it's a risky coin that doesn't really even get pumped, and it's one of these coins that somehow you knew was going to get pumped something, and you have your money in it and it's going down 20%, but you don't want to let go. Then what you're going to do, you're going to lose money long term because that coin is not going to go up. Or let's say your coin goes up 150% in a day, which has happened several times this week, 150, 200% gainers in a day, and you don't want to sell because you think that it's going to go up more, and you're so happy that you got all this money. Guys, you haven't made a single penny until you sell. That's the thing that people don't recognize. You haven't made any dollars, any Bitcoin, anything until you sell. So if you're holding on because you're too excited, you're too happy, then you're most definitely going to be losing out on money, because what goes up must come down. Even IOTA. We saw IOTA at 50 cents last month and it hit $5. If you expected IOTA to keep on going, $10, and you didn't sell, then you're crazy, first of all, and you've missed out on some profits. You want to take some profit off the top, and you don't want to just have your money sitting there doing nothing. You want to be making money off of the money you've made and making money off of that. So you keep on making money. You buy the Lambo, buy the Tesla Roadster, retire, and never have to work again in your life. So that's the goal. You'll always want to, don't be overly emotional, because that will get you caught up. Another mistake new traders make is they chase this right here, this right here, this right here, this right here. And if you notice what that all was, that's green. They chased the green, and unfortunately today there's not some big coin that got pumped extremely, or maybe this. They'll chase this, and they think that they're going to make a lot of money off of it, which you can. I have a shirt that says the alts are mooning on my website, altsinfomo.com, and a lot of alts do moon, but a lot of alts also do get dumped. And if you buy a coin at the all-time high, then you're gonna get stuck with it. Don't get stuck with coins, guys. That's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to trade, not hold. We're not trying to be back holders. If you want to invest, this is not the video for you, obviously, because I'm talking about trading. If you want to trade, then you don't want to get stuck with coins. Like, imagine if you got this yesterday, or not this, my bad. Imagine if you got this yesterday and it was at an all-time high. Let's see what it was at. Let's see what it was at, guys. If it will load. I'm sure this was pumped somehow, some way. Never mind. It's just been declining. I don't even know what this coin is. But yeah, you don't want to hold on to a coin for too long if it's losing. You want to get out ASAP. And the last thing that I feel like a lot of new traders do is they don't do their own research. They don't think for themselves. If you want to know what's probably, it has a good chance of moving in the future, what coins have a decent probability of gaining a lot of traction in the future, this is a great website to come to. Come do your own research on it. See what coins are about to move. See what is happening. If it's about, I like to say 80%, then it's probably true. It's CoinMarketCal, not CapCal. And there's just a bunch of dates of coins, and you could come through here and look at some dates and, see what is probably going to happen. You want to go a little further than 10 days just so you can see way ahead and have that little swing trade before before everybody else starts looking at it. You want to be smart money, not stupid money. You don't want to always follow what people are saying on Twitter, what people are saying in a bunch of stuff. You want to also do your own research. People are useful. I've made a lot of money off of just some random Twitter users that are kind enough to share what they're trading. They have like 100 followers. Probably don't know I'm following them, but they'll give out a signal and I get on it, a quick 20, 40, 50% gain. So those are nice, but then again, you don't want to get stuck in just listening to what other people are saying on Twitter or in forums or whatever. You want to also do your own research, because just because someone says something doesn't mean it's true. You always want to be on top of your game, guys. You don't ever want to miss out on a good opportunity, because that is not what we're trying to do. We're trying to make money, not lose money. This is a great website to come to. Obviously, if you came to this website, you would have seen this, and that is one of the reasons that this has got pumped so much recently. This is saying negative 9%, but we're looking right here. 1 second. Let's go to 7-day. That's why that happened, is because of this announcement. So if you come over here, you'll see a lot of things that are going to happen, and you can kind of get on top of coins. You can find some small coins on here that you like and you're interested in seeing in the future what they do. You could find some long terms on here, and you could find some short terms. So this is a great website for you guys to come to, just to check out what's happening in the future and get on top of your coins. But let me know what you guys think is one of the biggest mistakes people make, and what is one of the biggest mistakes that you've made while you've been trading. And do you guys think trading is even that smart? Because in the long run, I've seen a lot of things like if you hold Bitcoin, you're probably going to outperform your coins. That's probably true. They say 90% of traders lose money, and I think in crypto that's probably not true, because if you're losing money in crypto while trading, you're probably just not that intelligent of a human being. That's no offense to anyone, but like, if you have Bitcoin sitting on the side also, you should be gaining money, if that makes sense. And if you're choosing the right coins, just do your own research. That kind of sounded defensive. Now I feel bad. But hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying. In crypto, I don't understand losing money. You might not be gaining as much as you could, which I do all the time because I make a lot of stupid mistakes. But in my opinion, you shouldn't be losing money while you trade. You should always be in the green, just based off of having Bitcoin sitting there, kind of weighing out and averaging out your coins. But that's the end of this video. Let me know what you guys thought about what I said in this video. Do you completely disagree? If so, let me know why. Do you agree with anything I said? Let me know why. Make sure to join my Discord. Information will be in the description down below. And let me know what you guys are feeling about the crypto world right now. Is it a bubble? Let me know what you guys are thinking. Thanks for watching the video. It's your boy African, and I'm signing out.